With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to match column 1 and 2 in the correct combination and select our answer from the given options. First of all, they are saying ladybird beetle feeding on insects, and we have to select the correct type of interaction which this is representing. Now we all know that in any habitat, in any ecosystem, the biological community or the biotic community is made up of many different species, and all of these species, all of these members of the community are not distinct units. Instead, they are linked together in one way or another, and they are going to show a variety of complex interactions among themselves. Now, these interactions are also divided into many categories depending upon whether they are beneficial, whether they are detrimental, or whether they are not affecting the involved species at all. So, the species can also remain neutral. Now, over here we are clearly seeing that one animal is feeding on another animal. So, this is an example of predation. We have to match A with 2. And clearly this is an interaction which is beneficial for the predator, but it is obviously detrimental for the prey because the prey is getting eaten. Next, they are saying barnacles growing on the back of a whale. Now, when barnacles are growing on the back of a whale, the whale is not affected in any way. The whale remains neutral, but the barnacles are benefiting because they get to travel wherever the whale is traveling. On their own, they would not be able to show such locomotion, and they also get a good amount of food when they remain near the whale, because when the whale is going to feed, the barnacles can get the remnants of the food. So the barnacles are getting nutrition, but the whale is also not getting harmed in any way. So such an interaction where one is benefiting but other remains neutral, it is known as Commensalism. So we have to match B with 4. Next, they are saying wasp pollinating a fig inflorescence. Now, we all know that many flowering plants use insects as an agent of pollination, that is, to transfer their pollen grains. But over here, the wasp is not doing the plant a favor, because in return, the plant also gives some floral rewards. So when the wasp is going to visit the flower, it can get these floral rewards in the form of nectar and pollen. And apart from this plant is also going to provide this wasp, this insect, with a site for oviposition. So the flower which this wasp is pollinating, inside this flower, when the fruit is going to develop, the wasp can lay its eggs, and even when the eggs are going to become mature, when the larvae are going to come out, these larvae can also feed on the developing seeds inside the fruit. So the plant is getting its flowers pollinated, whereas the insect is getting floral rewards along with a site for oviposition and nutrition for its larvae. So such a situation, such a relationship where both species are benefiting is known as mutualism. So this is a mutualistic relationship. We'll match C with 1. And finally, they are saying lice living on the skin of human beings. Now, lice are clearly an example of parasite because they feed on our blood, they derive nutrition from us, and obviously they cause harm to us. They are sucking our blood, and apart from this, they also get free lodgings, free shelter. They are living on our body as an ectoparasite. So both of these things they are getting, they are deriving benefit, but for us this is detrimental. This is harmful for our health, that our body is infested by such parasites. So this will be a clear example of parasitism, where the host is being harmed but the parasite is deriving benefit. So over here, the correct answer will be option A, where the examples that have been given to us in column 1 have been correctly matched with the type of interaction in column 2. And the one term which has been left unmatched, competition, this is also an interaction found in biotic communities. But over here, none of the species are going to benefit, and both of the species involved are harmed. So competition is an interaction detrimental to both of the involved species. But over here, no example of competition has been given. So our correct answer, we'll mark option A.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level, Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.